I want to start this with a simple question for you. Have you ever felt like your 9 to 5 was eating your dreams alive? Like no matter how much you hustle, you're just running on a treadmill that never really moves forward? That's exactly where today's story begins. I was sitting across from a single African American mom who looked me dead in the eye and said, I don't want to survive anymore. I want to build. She had bills, kids to take care of, no partner in the picture, and a job that drained her soul. But here's the thing. She didn't stay stuck there. She used AI to flip her life from hustle to passive income. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how she did it, step by step, so you can see what's possible for yourself. Now, before I walk you through her playbook, let me bridge into something important. You're about to get so much value from this story, and I don't want you missing future strategies just like it. So do me a 2-second favor. Before we dive into her AI system, hit that like button. It's literally a 2-second identity action that tells the algorithm, I'm the kind of person who invests in building freedom. Then subscribe, because over the next few weeks, I'm dropping more case studies just like this. And you don't want to look back 6 months from now, wishing you had them when they could have changed your game. And if you know another single mom or a friend grinding in silence, share this, because the biggest flex isn't keeping secrets, it's lifting your people up. All right, let's get back into it. Here's where her story starts. She didn't jump into AI knowing what prompt engineering was, or how to build a funnel, or even what Gumroad did. In fact, her first attempt at AI, total flop. She downloaded ChatGPT, typed in make me money online, and got generic answers that didn't help. And that's the first big lesson here. AI is a skill. Skills aren't magic, they're taught, learned, and mastered over time. So instead of quitting, she slowed down. She learned one thing at a time. First, she learned how to talk to A's AI, not with vague commands, but with precision. She discovered the power of prompt frameworks. For example, instead of asking, help me make money, she learned to say, act as a YouTube strategist. Create 10 faceless video titles in the finance niche optimized for retention. That one shift, treating AI like a partner instead of a vending machine, changed everything. The second step she mastered was video scripts. She realized she didn't need to show her face if she didn't want to. She used AI to generate retention optimized scripts and then layered them with 11 Labs voiceovers and HeyGen avatars. Suddenly, she had a YouTube channel that could publish content while she was making dinner or helping with homework. But YouTube alone isn't passive income. And here's where she leveled up. She connected her videos to digital products. On Gumroad, she launched her first $9 guide. It wasn't fancy, just a PDF with her process of using AI for budgeting. But when her first sale came in while she was asleep, she realized something powerful. She was no longer trading hours for dollars. Stress of admin so you can focus on creating and connecting. Here's where I want to pause and challenge you. If you had to choose right now, would you rather get $500 today or $5,000 in passive income over the next 6 months? Drop it in the comments. I want to see where your mindset is. Because the truth is, her choice to delay the quick hustle for long-term systems is what created freedom. After Gumroad, she expanded into Skool, and this was the real breakthrough. She realized people didn't just want her product, they wanted her guidance. So she launched a $19 per month Skool community. Inside, she used AI to automate onboarding, create lesson templates, and even draft weekly challenges for her members. What blew her mind was that AI didn't just save her time, it multiplied her impact. Because now, her community wasn't just consuming content, they were growing together. By month 3, she was making more from Skool than she was from her 9 to 5. That's when Systeme.io came in. She built a simple funnel, free AI checklist leading to a $9 Gumroad guide, then an invite into her Skool, and an upsell into a $97 mini course. She didn't code it herself. AI literally walked her through the copy, the email sequences, even the thank you page. Now, here's the raw truth. It wasn't perfect. She had launches where nobody bought. She had videos that got 12 views. She had nights where she questioned whether this was all a waste of time. But instead of quitting, she kept stacking skills. She treated each failure as tuition. Success didn't come from being flawless, it came from being relentless. And I'll give her credit here. She didn't hoard the game. She started teaching other moms in her circle. She'd say, "Look, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to multiply you." It's like hiring a 24/7 intern that never sleeps. And that's what I want you to take away too. This isn't about having all the answers. It's about learning the skill of AI so you can apply it to whatever lane you're in. Now, let me connect this back to you. If you're watching this and wondering, could I really do this? Let me answer with her example. She didn't start with tech skills. She didn't have savings to fall back on. She had pressure, bills, kids, and a job she hated. But because she approached AI as a skill that could be learned, she built a system that now pays her while she sleeps. So here's my invitation. If you're serious about mastering AI as a skill, come join us inside my Skool community. That's where we go deeper, hands-on. You'll get templates, playbooks, and the same systems that turned her hustle into passive income. Don't just watch another story on YouTube, step into it. And I'll close with this. What's the one AI skill you want to master before the year ends? Drop it in the comments because I want to see where you're aiming. And maybe, just maybe, the next success story I tell will be yours, creating and connecting.